So before we begin, I just want to say that please give us a like and a subscribe. Okay, so if you get 1,000 likes, I will share one of these Legos to the one that has the most likes on its comment. So comment below how you think my video is great. Okay, let's begin. First, we'll make the legs. We need 2 of these. Put them together and then put one of these on here. This is cute, isn't it? We'll just put that aside. And then we're making the head. We'll put one here and these here. So now put one here and then one over here for sure. We must have one over on the head. So this is the head. Okay. Now I'm gonna make the body. Okay, the body should be pretty easy. And then put it like this and again. And that's that. Now we're just gonna add the wings over here. Then we're gonna join all these parts together. Put one here, and then the legs. And then we're done. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. So now we're gonna say thank you.